If you love food, you need to know these words in English. Hello, this is your English teacher. Let's learn 10 kitchen words in English. Very easy, simple sentences, and very clear pronunciation. You can repeat after me. Let's begin. Number 1. Spoon. A spoon is used for eating soup or stirring tea. Repeat. Spoon. We use a spoon to eat soup or to stir tea. You can use this sentence. I use a spoon to eat my soup every day. Number 2. Fork. A fork is used to pick up food. Repeat. Fork. We use a fork to pick up food. You can use this sentence. I use a fork to eat my spaghetti. Number 3. Knife. A knife is used for cutting food. Be careful. It is sharp. Repeat. Knife. You must be careful when you use a knife because it is sharp. You can use this sentence. I use a knife to cut my bread. Number 4. Plate. We put our food on a plate. Repeat. Plate. When we have our food, we put it on a plate. You can use this sentence. I put my rice on a plate. Number 5. Cup. A cup is used for drinking tea, coffee, or water. Repeat. Cup. We use a cup to drink tea, coffee, or water. You can use this sentence. I drink water from a cup every day. Number 6. Pan. We cook food in a pan on the stove. Repeat. Pan. We use a pan to cook our food on the stove. You can use this sentence. I cook chicken in a pan. Number 7. Pot. A pot is used for cooking soup or rice. Repeat. Pot. We use a pot for cooking soup or rice. You can use this sentence. My mother cooked chicken pot. Number 8. Bowl. A bowl is used for eating soup, noodles, or cereal. Repeat. Bowl. We use a bowl to eat soup, noodles, or cereal. You can use this sentence. I use a bowl to eat my noodles. Number 9. Stove. We cook food on the stove. Repeat. Stove. We cook our food on the stove. You can use this sentence. I cook on the stove every day. Number 10. Fridge. We keep food cold in the fridge. Repeat. Fridge. The fridge keeps our food cold. You can use this sentence. I keep my food in the fridge. Now you know 10 kitchen words in English. Can you repeat them? Can you say them fast like this? If you want to become fluent in English faster, you need to practice speaking English every day. It's very important. How much time do you spend speaking English every day? 1 hour? 2 hours? Please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.